Hey guys, Julia here, and in this video I am doing something again that I have not done in a while. Who wants to say what I'm doing?
Something stupid on Windows 10.
I am trying Windows 10 S.
AKA doing something stupid on Windows 10.
Shadow.
What's not even? So yeah. Anyways, dude, Fox, you want to explain what we're doing with this Windows 10 S ISO you made?
Okay, so I'm on her computer now with AnyDesk. FYI, if you get my AnyDesk ID, don't expect to connect me because I have a password, and most of the time I keep my AnyDesk closed.
Yes.
For those certain people, you know who I'm talking about. So I've created this little handy dandy ISO. It's got some customization, BS removed. It's just kind of like play with Shadow. Just kind of my own customized Windows 10 1903 in S mode. It's got Home and Pro, that's it. And we're going to use a helpful tool called MSMG Toolkit to modify it a little bit more. So what we need to do right now is actually we need to add drivers for the system that she's going to be using. So with MSMG Toolkit, if you take your Windows files and put them into the DVD folder, that's the source folder that's going to get all of its stuff from over 1 gig. Fun. Hurry up. Copy faster.
Hurry up.
Faster! Okay, so. Alright. So after we've got that, I'm going to take this handy dandy drivers folder that I've clearly extracted the drivers from the exe. I just simply right-click with 7-zip. And I'm going to drivers, install Windows 10 and 64-bit, and I'm just going to hopefully copy all of it into here. In case something goes wrong and it doesn't work, I'd like to be able to revert.
Yep. Who's clapping?
Tony.
Let Tony be Tony.
Wait, remember when you thought that I got slapped? This is completely irrelevant, dude Fox. Do you remember when you thought I got slapped?
Okay, we're basically integrating the drivers in the ISO.
Okay, drivers are now copied. So pretty much what we're going to do right now is we're going to go start, accept, UAC, accept MSMG Toolkit EULA. It's going to do all of its magic dags. We're going to select the source, which is the DVD folder. Let's go ahead and do both, because why not? I'm going to say no to both of these and hope that... Julia, you know how to do it with keyboard, right?
Do what?
If not, you can always plug a mouse in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to because on this laptop the mouse doesn't work in setup.
Oh, here's the thing. Once it gets into Windows, you won't need to, but during the first PE setup portion, like when you have to click install now and select your partition and crap, you will, because I'm not integrating the drivers to that. Alright, so I'm actually doing a test on my system to see if S mode activates. It should. I don't see why it wouldn't.
It should, because you can switch out of S mode for free.
Exactly. So it's basically just a regular Windows 10 home license, I would assume. Actually, fully installed. Oh, it did. Oh, wait, no. It went to regular. What?
Huh?
It activated regular.
It's not S?
No.
What?
That's weird.
We'll see what it does on mine. It's done.
Okay.
Add that beep.
We're going to integrate drivers, Windows installation image. Hopefully it just finds everything automatically.
It should.
I would assume it's going to look for INF and whatever those other the cab files. If also, I'm just going to hope it does everything automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. It's either because of the license, or it's
the wrong ISO.
no, it's the correct one.
The That is so weird. Maybe you have to put in S mode? I don't know.
Oh. It just kind of switched out on its own. Okay, I'm gonna double check. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
So what's the...
Why is it getting Vista drivers?
Don't ask, okay? I downloaded them from HP's website, so let it just do it.
I hope that doesn't mean Windows Vista. This computer is too new for that.
Probably means Vista enough.
Yeah, you're probably right. That's... Wait, 389 drivers?
Yep.
Excuse me?
You know it's drivers for like a wide range of devices, right?
Yeah. Well,
It
says Win 10, I think. Oh, wait,
Yeah, it
that's
does.
the other folder.
Oh, wait.
Well, maybe not.
So either when it activated, it swapped out, or it never installed S mode in the first place. Maybe there's certain requirements, like, what if it requires, like, UEFI in order to do S mode? Because I know it installed S mode on the VM.
Well, we will see, guys, what it does to my system. And I'll use S for a while, and then I'll make a follow-up video, and
Wait,
talk about it.
Can I say one thing? Can I say one thing?
Sure.
I hope it installs RTM on your computer.
It's not going to.
But you never know. I mean, you never know when someone's gonna prank you doing.
It's a Windows 10S ISO. Windows 10S doesn't exist in RTM.
I don't know what that means!
Care to explain, Dude Fox, what Windows 10S is in case there's people here that don't know what it is?
Windows 10S was created in 1709 for machines that were low end, or for machines that basically it was supposed to be a competitor to Google's Chrome OS, where it would only run applications from an authorized installation, aka the Microsoft Store. A lot of people hate it, but I've actually used it myself, and I thought it was okay. I mean, it's probably not going to be something you want to run long term, but I mean, if you want it on a spare machine, or if you want it as like a testing thing, it should do fine.
Yeah. And like, I actually tried out Windows 10S in 1703 because that's when they were starting to develop it, and I got an early version of it. And that's what I made a video on that crappy Acer netbook. But don't worry, guys, I am not using that Acer netbook. I'm going to be installing it on an HP Stream. And
That definitely could utilize it.
it could utilize it. It's got a Celeron, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, which is not enough for Windows in my opinion.
I've noticed when you do UWP apps, they're not as like storage intensive as regular.
So honestly, it will help in storage.
And once Microsoft releases the Chromium Edge officially in Windows, which I'm hoping will be in 20H1,
Then we can use that Edge instead of the crappy Edge they include.
Wait, are we in 1903 right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me correct myself, 1909.
Well, 1909 might have it. Not sure.
I hope it does. That would mean that means Google could actually put Chrome on the Microsoft Store.
Honestly, I just wish the Microsoft Store had more of the apps I use.
Actually, you might be surprised. It might have more than you think.
Well, I know Paint.net costs money on
That's true.
the Microsoft Store.
Well, I mean, okay, so there is a way to install applications, but that involves modifying the registry in a non-conventional way. It is possible. Very, like, hard to do, but it is possible.
I would rather, like, just, you know... I think I'm gonna find this interesting, having a laptop with Windows 10S, a better laptop, meaning I'll actually use it more. Last time I felt like I didn't use it much because, 1, no drivers, and 2, it kept crashing.
This is why we're integrating the drivers, so we don't have to install them.
Yes, and then that way I don't have to worry about, oh, this is not a good, this is not a trusted source, you can't install this.
Well, technically, if we did do the registry thing, we could if we needed to. That'll be kind of a last resort option.
Yeah, I'd rather just have the drivers already included, like you just bought a computer with Windows 10s. So basically in this video, we are putting the drivers in the ISO, or integrating them, then we're going to install it on the machine and show around a little bit, and then like in a week or two I'll make another video following up on it and tell you guys how it was, kind of like I did last time. Except this time, we're doing it properly. 1, better computer. 2, it has the drivers. And 3, since S has been out for a while, it's like the official S, because the other one I had was still in development.
Yeah, this one I just took a 1903 ISO, created a custom answer file, and then integrated it into the thing. I did test it in a VM, it did install. I don't know why the laptop did regular. I don't know if there's certain like requirements or something. Alright, done. So now all we need to do is apply and save the changes, and then we'll create another ISO, and Julie can throw that on a thumb drive. You're probably going to disable secure boot because it's going to, the WIM file is going to be over 4 gigs, so FAT32 will not allow it. So it's going to create.
Enable it later.
Yeah. So.
I mean, I just won't be able to install in secure boot, but after it's installed, you can re-enable it. Because yeah, when you make a USB and NTFS instead of FAT32, you cannot have secure boot on, or it won't boot.
Okay, so the way Rufus does it is that it creates a separate partition for UEFI to NTFS, where it's a small 32 gig, or let me correct myself, it's a small FAT32 partition that will tell it to boot the NTFS partition on UEFI.
Correct.
That's how Windows does it actually in regular. Like, when Windows is installed to a UEFI system, that's actually how it does it. There's a small FAT32 partition that hands it off to NTFS. I don't know if a lot of people understand that.
Why is this version say an insider build?
Don't ask. It's using one that comes with the toolkit.
Yeah, they put an insider version of DISM.
Hey, it works, does it not?
I mean, it does the same thing, so what's it matter? And also, what you said about making the answer file, I actually did that in class. We made answer files.
True, but this one's a little bit different.
Yeah, and also, we didn't even get to use them. Like, we also made a Windows PE ISO, but we didn't even get to use it. I wanted to boot off of it.
So what, you created it but didn't use it?
Yeah.
What was the point?
I guess just to learn how to create them. I want to see it in action.
It's just gonna dump you to a command prompt.
That's what I thought it was gonna do.
That's what they do. I know that for a fact because I made them before.
So if you make one, it's just gonna boot up and then show a command prompt. I mean, that's what I thought it was gonna do because, I mean, it seemed like it was gonna do that. I honestly can't wait for this, and I'm glad I'm making more videos again. I miss making videos.
You go, girl!
Yeah!
I don't want to cuss, but are you still recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Katie, what does it sound like you're far away from your laptop or iPad?
She probably is.
You sound like you're far away.
Well, you don't put my headphones in? I can do that.
It's just-
So then I won't
I'm just saying, though.
I honestly can't wait for this, guys. I'm sure you guys wanted to see S again. Well, you guys are gonna see S again.
Honestly, I hope it installs in this.
I hope it doesn't. Otherwise, this video is gonna be long.
This video will be a fail.
Well, I guess I could call it then failed attempt at Windows 10s.
Okay.
It worked in an ISO, so either it's the activation that changes it, or I don't know.
Well, we will find out.
That's the only thing I can really think of. It's the activation.
Guys, Katie's trying to say something. Go ahead.
In October, as spooky season comes near, the pranks will come and the scary stories.
Oh no, I'm scared for October. I'm probably gonna get pranked hardcore. This Windows install will be no longer.
Prepare for spooky season.
I'm already prepared for it.
Stop! Hi! Nothing fixed? Okay. Prepare for 3 stores 2 days a week with the jack-o'-lanterns dancing along the night and RTMing your computer.
Katie, that will not happen.
But let's make it happen.
No.
That's what you think. Tell me, leave in the comment section. Did I prank her during? Leave in the comment section if you are subscribed to my channel. You should already know the answer. Julia, don't watch the video.
Okay, yeah, Katie's channel, I have her on, like, if you go to my channel, I guess it's, like, on the side thing where you can add channels.
Just slide to channels. I'm on there.
What's your channel name again? Tell them.
Harry Thunderay.
Yep. You can find it if you go to my channel and go on the side and you'll see it's like a featured channel on there. Okay, so is this done or what? Why is it just sitting here?
Just take it. It's got to think.
It's gotta think hard.
Okay, so this just rebooted a second time, or the first time. So let's hope this actually installs an S mode. I'm actually gonna check to see if it even. I'm gonna check to see this time when I get to a desktop if it did install an S mode, because it may not due to some of the specs, or for a specific reason. I don't know.
Katie's getting a call.
Make it stop. Okay.
Go on
Continue.
D&D.
Doesn't help mobile.
True. That's the one thing I don't like about D&D. It doesn't, if you're on mobile, it doesn't do anything.
Which I'm constantly on.
And also, Discord doesn't always run constantly in the background on mobile, because if you close it, you'll go offline if you don't have another device on.
Pretty much.
So it doesn't constantly run in the background, and it'll put you on offline, and then you'll still get notifications. Because then you're in offline mode, not D&D. That's why it doesn't work on mobile. One time I had to reinstall the app due to issues. I left the house, and because my computer went on idle, my phone got legit 1 billion notifications in a row. And I was like, oh boy. It's done! Are we done?
Nope, we have to do this.
What are you doing now?
We have to create an ISO from the files.
Oh, what are you gonna call it? Okay, good name.
Time to kill people.
Katie!
Yeah. I'm totally not playing a game. Get out of my way!
You might need to mute. You might need to mute if you're gonna do that. Alright, now we're done.
Yay! Where's the ISO?
So I actually need to go help my parents. They just got home, so you can put that on the flash drive while you can do this.
Alright, guys, let me go grab a USB. Give me 1 minute.
And put RTM on it.
Okay, hold on. I got some...
You just said okay to that.
What? What?
I'll be on mute.
You just said, let's go grab a USB, and I said, put RTM on it. And you said, oh.
I didn't hear that! I had my headphones off.
Well, that's in the video.
What?
That's in the video now.
I don't care. I'm gonna leave it in the video.
It's best.
What's on this USB? I don't know. Let's plug it in.
It has, anime.
What is that USB? Dell Restore? What? Dell Restore? What is this? Oh god, it's RS5. Okay, I'm formatting that. Actually,
I want to be a tiger. I want to be the fastest.
Let's format that USB and let's call it Win10S HP.
No!
So we are going to format. Okay, format's complete. Now let's have found Rufus.
If Julia cuts the stuff out before this, then she has to put in RTM as best at the end.
No, I'm not.
Well, then I'll force you to. RTM is best.
Where did it say? Is it here? There it is.
RTM is best.
I found the ISO. Yes.
You found the RTM ISO?
I'm not installing RTM. No one can make me.
You're installing it.
Only NTFS.
Hey,
Alright, HP. What? No! Go away, Rufus update. I don't give a crap. Alright, let's start. Yes, I don't care.
Let's start.
Destroy all data.
Let's start.
Yeah, let's start.
Let's destroy Julia's computer.
Let's start. It's the best.
Totally.
FCU best.
No.
No, RTM is best.
No.
Mind explaining what you just said.
RTM is the worst. I will never use that piece of
FCU
crap.
was the best.
Alright guys, well we're making a USB. We're making a USB of Windows 10s.
Build 10240.
No, it is not that, Tony. It's not. I'm making a USB juice box. Can you see? Okay. Oh yeah, that's good.
Why did you sometimes just say okay?
I don't know. Let me move this and then move this. Oops, what did I do?
Scrolled up.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You're acting very weird.
Oh, I'm just in a very hyper mood because I had sugar.
Whenever I have sugar, I never get as hyper.
For some reason, if I have anything sweet or anything with sugar or caffeine, I go crazy. It's just how I am. I don't know. It's weird. Anyways, guys. What?
Anyways, geez.
What? Anything else you guys want to say before I stop the video? Because I'm going to resume it with...
FCU is best. FCU is life. FCU will remain the best version of Windows 10. RS4 does not exist.
RS4 does exist!
No, it's November 2017. FCU just came out.
Oh my god, guys, look at the date. It's 2019, and I'm also on 19H1, as you can see down here, which is the latest version of Windows 10.
It's 2017, and I'm on FCU.
If I open WinVer, you can see
FCU. That's
this
FCU.
is not FCU.
That is FCU.
Version 1903.
Version 1709.
It's not 1709.
Yes, it is.
It's 1903.
What the heck is 1903? It's not 2019, it's 2017.
It's 2019. Where have you been?
No, it's 2017.
Erg.
Julia, you need to update your Rufus version.
I
To build
know.
Newer versions tell you the progress.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it tells you a progress number.
Well, I will update Rufus after this, I guess.
To the RTM build.
No. Guys, just FYI.
I support
I
this.
do-
RTM rules the world.
I do hate RTM, I will say that.
Why?
I hate it. Reasons. I won't say. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop the video, even though this is kind of entertaining, because I don't want this video to be an hour. So, I'm gonna stop this video, and I'm gonna resume when we're back with the laptop. So, bye for now! Say your guys' last words. Say your guys' last words. Bye.
My last
Bye!
word is to give
Remember
an
the
USB of FCU.
Wait, guys. We're gonna prank Julie during the October season.
Oh yeah, my last words. 11/11/2019.
Alright guys, we are back. I'm on my phone and we have the USB. So we're gonna, first of all, don't we have to go to the BIOS and change crap?
Yeah. Secure boot.
Okay. We have to disable secure boot. Isn't it F9 or 10? F10.
F10.
I'm using these keys instead. Oh, it turned off and on. I think the CMOS reset. Yep. CMOS checkson's invalid. I don't care. Ah, it's beeping. Alright, hold on. Where's secure boot? Stop. Where's secure boot? Secure boot needs to be disabled. So legacy disabled, secure boot disabled, and we're on UEFI. So then I'm going to do, is it F10? Yeah, exit saving changes, and then we're gonna go to F9 for the boot menu.
Yeah.
Oh, once this to, it's okay, you don't have to.
Yay.
Alright, we're gonna boot to the USB and UEFI. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. If you guys want to see this better, maybe I can, hold on.
It's such a little computer.
It's pink too.
Don't you like pink?
Yeah, this computer was actually given to me.
By who?
Someone I used to talk to that didn't need it anymore because they got another computer. And they knew I liked computers and they weren't going to do anything with it, so they just passed it on to me. I mean, it's a nice, cute little laptop. It's not the most powerful, but... Okay, we're in the setup. Do we do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I would do a Shift F10 and disk part clean.
Alright, I'm gonna disk part clean this. Not Shift F11, Shift F10. Alright. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. I'm trying to show the camera this, but I don't know how that's gonna work.
Anyone that knows will know what disk part is.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. You guys may not be able to see it, but I typed it wrong. Alright, disk part. I want to go, and this is basically a disk partitioning utility Microsoft offers. I actually learned disk part means disk partitioning. Fun fact, that's what disk part means. I just learned that in Windows class.
You didn't know that?
I didn't know that's what it meant, but I mean I should figure as much. I didn't think about it before. What the? Free 4,096 kilobytes. That's not right. So we're gonna select disk 0. Shadow! Shadow! Alright guys, so anyways, we are back. We list disk, we select disk 0, and now we're gonna do clean, which will clean the disk. There we go. Now we can close out of this. Next. Install. And yes, I'm using a mouse because the touchpad doesn't work within setup on this computer.
I'm gonna do with running the S mode on legacy if possible. It requires UEFI. I don't know.
If anyone has any idea on why when he installed Windows 10s it wasn't in S mode, please leave a comment below.
I mean, I'm sure there's a reason, but I don't know what.
There may be someone in the comment section that may know the reason.
Unless it requires small storage.
What's accept?
Or like a 13. I don't know.
Alright guys, we are going to install. Should I click new or should I just do next?
Did it ask you for an OS? Like
No.
Pro?
No. It didn't.
Okay.
Do I click new or should I just next it?
I always click apply.
I'll just do that then. Blah blah blah. I don't even care what that says.
Said it was going to create partitions necessary for the system.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it says. I've read it before. I just stopped reading it because it didn't really matter. Okay, now we are going to click next. And it's going to install, and I don't know if this is going to install S. It might just install regular 10 home. Let's hope it doesn't, although I have a feeling it will. I have a feeling it's going to install regular. I have a feeling it's not going to be S. For some reason. I don't know why. What do you guys think it's going to do? I will leave a poll.
Are we installing Windows 10s on an HP stream? Is that what we're doing?
Yes. We are.
Okay, cool.
So basically, guys, I will put a poll up on this part right now. It may not be up the second it gets up because I have to wait till the video's up. So if you don't see it pop up, then that's why you may have to refresh later on. But it's gonna be, the poll is going to be, did this laptop install S or not? What do you guys think? And it's just, there's no, I mean, it's really just a guess. It doesn't have, you don't have to be right or wrong. It's just what you guys think it'll do before it does it. So I'll leave it now. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna let this install and I will come back when it gets closer. Alright guys, so it's about done. We are gonna go to the BIOS and quickly switch it on Secure Boot. As we can switch it now since we had to disable it since the USB was NTFS, but the USB is no longer needed after it installs to this part. Because after this, it doesn't use the USB anymore. We don't have to boot off it, so it'll be fine. And, Dude Fox, would you like to say what we think the factor is of what happened?
Okay, so, one of the factors that I think it is UEFI. Because here's the thing. I installed it on legacy systems. S mode does not do it. If I install it on UEFI, it does.
And it made a legacy VM, and it was not in S mode.
Maybe S mode would be best on my HP.
Yeah, but is it UEFI?
No, it's legacy.
That's gonna be a problem. Because apparently oh, I forgot, I have to click this. Because apparently you have to have UEFI or it won't install. Okay, secure boot enabled.
I've just realized something.
What?
Throughout this entire process, I have installed this one VM 3 different times.
Oh my.
The time it takes that system to install, I reinstalled this VM 3 different times.
Yeah, this system's slower, and also this is USB 2.0 USB. So that could be why.
Oh no! Darn it!
What? What happened?
Ugh, I hit a shell.
Interesting. So basically, guys, we think that UEFI is a factor, and here's my theory. If UEFI is a factor, then my theory is that when you act like it uses the normal bootloader when you boot up to the installer, since it has S and non-S on it. But when you install S, it probably installs a UEFI only bootloader, and because S probably only has a only UEFI bootloader. So if it doesn't detect the system as UEFI, it probably just installs regular 10 home because
I am
of that.
in school. It says, please wait, there is no internet connection at all. There's been no internet connection through this whole process.
Okay, so he thinks that internet could also be a factor, so he's testing that now.
I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. User.
So it's either UEFI or the internet, but it seems like it's leaning more towards... It's leaning more towards UEFI, which is really strange.
I've never seen UEFI be the deciding factor.
Yeah, same. That's very strange. I never seen UEFI matter so much. But it makes sense because Windows 10S
Guys, I got
was
a screenshot of my laptop on my Toshiba on FCU.
nice. So basically, though, when S came out, they were being put on these low-end laptops like HP Streams, and this device would totally fit it. This actually came with 8.1 with Bing originally, but I think putting it 10 in S mode may actually make it perform better, and obviously it'll have more storage. I mean, yeah, we can't install EXEs, but there's apps on the store, and I can actually try some of them out and see how good they are. Because I'm going to be using this for a week, and I'm going to be making a follow-up video. I mean, it makes sense, though, because, like, if UEFI is a factor, S may use a special UEFI-only bootloader. That's my theory. That is my theory on it. If anyone has any other information, please leave a comment. But that's my theory. Maybe they only have a .EFI version of the bootloader for S. I think
It's UEFI. It's UEFI.
Oh my goodness.
There's no PowerShell in the right click. Let me go to the activation screen. Windows 10 Home in S mode. It's UEFI that's the deciding factor.
Dude Fox, I think it's because you know the bootloader is a .EFI. I think S only has a .EFI bootloader. I think that's why.
That's possible.
That's my theory. That is my theory. I can't really confirm it though, but it would make UEFI a factor for sure. Because if S only works in a UEFI bootloader, then obviously you can only install S in UEFI.
Have you been recording this whole time?
Well, I've been recording for 5 minutes and 32 seconds.
Oh, okay, so you have been getting some of it.
Some of it, yes. When it was about to reboot before I went in the BIOS is when I started recording. So, guys, I think we're booting up. I think we're about to be ready to get to setup here. And we're going to see also if it activates. Which it should. I will leave another poll. Do you think it will activate, yes or no? This computer does have a Windows 10 home license, but this is S mode. Like, the one we're installing is S mode, and it was never in S mode before.
I think that system would run overall better with S mode.
Yes.
As it's only allowing verified application.
And it's less likely to get a virus or malware.
Well, here's the thing. If you can only install stuff from one location, and that location has to verify them before allowing them.
Interesting. The dots are like the white blue dots, or gray, or whatever you said. That's weird. You'll see on the video. I mean...
Oh, also, you'll notice there's no Cortana setup. I disabled and I think I've removed Cortana in general.
Yep.
You'll see how much of it's been removed. I like it this way as it's less that I have to do myself afterwards, and it just makes the system overall, like, better.
Yes.
I removed a lot of the built-in UWP apps as I like to only have a store to start out with, and we'll see if touchpad works.
It does! What?
The drivers worked.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We included the drivers. I'm still gonna use the mouse. I still prefer the mouse.
Skip the Wi-Fi setup so you don't have to deal with a Microsoft account.
Obviously.
Hey, is the Wi-Fi strong?
Yes, it was.
The Wi-Fi has always been good when you clean install 10.
Not on this system, no.
Yeah, when you clean install 10, the Wi-Fi has always been good on it.
Actually,
right?
no, it isn't.
Oh, so that means the Wi-Fi drivers are working.
So what should I call the user?
Just name it whatever.
Huh?
Julia.
I'll just do my name. No password. And I'm just gonna leave this at this. Okay, sure, I don't care about that. I'll say yes. And doesn't ask about Cortana.
There ain't no Cortana.
Good. Oops. Alright.
Turn it off. Turn it all off.
I did. I always turn all that off. Trust me. So, the drivers are in there, which is awesome because now we don't have to worry about finding some way to get the drivers to install. Yay. Then again, then again, couldn't you just get the like INF files or whatever, go to Device Manager and have it locate it?
That's the thing. I don't think that would work depending on the driver. Because sometimes when you do that, it still installs the application for the driver.
You do have a point.
So it's not a guarantee that's gonna work.
True. And it's just blank. You said this is normal, right?
That's normal. That's normal. I removed the first time log on animation.
So we don't get to see what it's doing.
I mean, I never liked it.
Okay.
It's honestly just annoying.
It is. Just sitting there at a flashing blue screen, it's just straight up.
Yeah, you have a point.
Andrew's like, updating. Wait a moment. We're back. It's just annoying.
Yeah.
This is technical than expected. Please wait.
Oops, I didn't mean to.
What you do?
Oh, just something fell on my keyboard. Guys, I did also redo my office. I still haven't made an office tour yet. I know. Oh! There it is.
Right click the start button. Right click the start
Alright,
button.
is it S? Let's find out!
In S mode, there will be no PowerShell.
There's no PowerShell.
Oh my gosh, it worked.
Hallelujah. And if I go to system, where does it say it? Yes! In S mode! In S mode!
Connect to the internet, see if it activates.
Alright guys, will it activate? I will leave a
See, that's the one thing I don't know if it will do.
I will leave a poll here, guys. Tell me, I want you guys to say, will it activate? Yes or no?
Oh, I hope it does. I hope it doesn't switch out of it. That would suck.
There we go, we are connected.
Just like Windows 10 in S mode, and then when you connect to internet, Windows 10 home.
Alright, is it still activated? Please be activated. Please, I beg you.
Right click the start button.
Please be activated. Come on. Yes, it's activated.
In S mode?
Yep.
Oh wow, that actually worked out. Surprise.
Guys, this worked out perfectly.
Go to Device Manager, see if all the drivers are there.
Alright.
You should be, because we added them beforehand, so we shouldn't need to install any drivers.
Alright, device manager.
Device Manager is an authorized app.
Well, duh.
I've done it, I've accessed it before on demo computer.
There's still 2 other devices.
See if Windows Update will find them.
Update driver. I think this may have something to do with the Wi-Fi, except the Wi-Fi's working.
Oh, the Wi-Fi button.
That's what it is, the Wi-Fi button. Not like I'm gonna use it anyways if it doesn't work, oh well. Like, at least we got it functional. Oh, come on. Guys, I'm going to be using this for a week and we'll make a follow-up video on this. So you guys will be able to hear how it goes.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look up and see if there's like a remote control program that we can use from the mic. Good try, good assist.
Yeah, we could. But guys, this is Windows 10S. Well, Windows 10 Home in S mode. Oh, no, nope, that didn't work. Let's try the other one. I don't know what the other one is, but I can follow up on this in the next video since this video is probably almost an hour already in total. But then again, I haven't been making very many videos, so I guess the long video can make up for that. Since we haven't, you know, done a video in a while. Oh, it's downloading this one.
I wonder if it'll install.
Let's find out.
If not, we can always go into manufacturing.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, well,
The wireless button was the second one. I don't know what the first one is.
Get me the hardware ID so I can look it up.
Alright, I will get that, but before that, let's actually check updates here.
I'm actually surprised that ended up working.
It worked out the way I wanted it to go. Very
It worked out the way I wanted it to go.
So this was actually a very good video.
Open quick assist. I want to try it.
Alright, hold on. Oh, it's checking already. How do I open it?
Just search it in the start menu. You're gonna need to sign into your Microsoft. Or no, you're not. I have to, which is fine.
You're already on a Microsoft account, right?
That's true, but it's still forcing me to sign in for whatever reason. I'm just an idiot. I forgot that I have the option. Alright, I have the person you are helping needs a security code to let you connect to their device. Alright. Let's see if this works.
Also, I'm gonna click check.
I've never had any luck getting this to work. It's worth a shot. Take full control? Sure.
There we go, guys. It's doing updates.
Oh wow, it's actually working.
It is.
For once, this is working.
Nice. And
I'm gonna be straight up, I've never had this work.
well, it works now. So I guess this is how you can have people connect to your computer if you need help in Windows 10s.
Wow, this is a first. I've literally never seen it work. I know if you try and do anything like, let's see here. Yep, that doesn't work.
What did you try to open?
Right, Janet.
Can't do that. Also, check that driver. See what that driver is.
Yeah, this
I
is.
just found Forge mod, and when your game crashes, it doesn't completely crash. It just brings you to this screen.
Hmm.
See driver.
Dude, Fox, look.
Seems like the network, except it's got the network, which is kind of weird.
I like this. Minecraft crashed.
What is it doing in RIP? So after he tells us what this is, probably end the video here and do a follow-up since this is already really long. But Dude Fox, is there anything you'd like to say to the video or anyone else that wants to say anything?
Honestly, it's really easy. I'll send Julia the guide that she can put into the description of the video. And you guys, if you want to try this, you can. It's really simple and it works out really well.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. With this netbook, as I'm going to call it, it needs S mode. It is horrible on full Windows.
Agreed. Even though you can only get apps from the Microsoft Store, you know, I guess it's a good way to see what kind of apps the Microsoft Store has. And also, you know, it's not like you're going to be installing a ton of things on a, you know, spare computer that isn't that powerful anyways. It will actually run faster without all that stuff.
With this custom-made ISO, look at the start menu.
I love it. Except,
It's so small.
why did you put CMD in PowerShell if you can't even open it?
It was originally not an S mode ISO. I was stupid. I should have made a copy of it before I did it. I'm dumb. Okay, I can make it later.
It's
look,
alright.
it installed the audio program. It's fun.
Let's see.
Oh, it actually runs.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's definitely improved. That's for sure.
Maybe they verified certain drivers in S finally. Maybe they added the drivers programs because those need to be verified. So maybe
Look on this device.
I have a feeling that Microsoft verified those. I feel like they did.
Broadcom Bluetooth drivers. That's interesting.
So the Bluetooth didn't install.
That's not a big problem. I thought I added that, but I don't know. So I know with S mode you are forced to use Edge.
Yes, you are.
Honestly, I don't think that's a big deal. I don't think it's a big deal to complain about. I think, in my opinion, S mode is for those certain people or for those certain devices that are not meant to have a lot of stuff.
Besides, you know, for people that just browse the internet, that's fine.
Like, with S mode, you're pretty much going to be using all web apps for the most part. if we look at the storage, actually, oh, that was quick.
Whoa. How? How does a fresh install take up so much storage?
I think it's drivers or updates. I think it's updates.
Oh, Microsoft added that reserved storage in 19H1.
The MSMG Toolkit has an option to remove it.
So it's not that.
It shouldn't, but I wouldn't be surprised if it enabled itself. Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot.
Why? But in my opinion, Windows 10S is good for those devices that, you know, you're just going to browse the internet on or do very little things on, nothing intensive on. You know?
There it is.
It's probably going to search Bing, though.
No, that's a... Oh, it is no search Bing.
Duh.
That's not even what I sent.
It's being slow, probably because it's doing updates.
I wouldn't be surprised.
But updates are important for security, so...
Yeah, the whole channel gets it by now.
Everyone understands that by now. I mean, I've said it a million times.
You said it like...
Well, it's a fact.
You said it was just...
We've turned on storage sets.
Where are we at now?
Check. It's...
We were at like 7-something gigs.
We can always clear the software distribution download out when the updates are done to free up some storage again. Wait, if you can't open CMD, how do you do Compact OS?
Services.
What do you mean?
You can go to services to do it.
Oh, cool.
What? I wasn't listening.
To Compact OS.
Oh, wait, no, I honestly don't know about that.
Oh, you were talking about... What did you think I said?
How do you stop the Windows Update service?
That is not what I said!
Julia would never say that.
Why would I ever ask that?
But guys, I'm fighting Technoblade in Minecraft. It's a pig.
Okay.
Oh my god, I killed Technoblade.
So basically what I asked is how do you compact OS if there's no CMD? That's the question I asked, Dude Fox. How do you compact OS if there's no CMD?
I have no idea at that point.
Dog!
Doggo!
I team dog! Dog, come!
I like dogs. I like dogs in Minecraft.
I'm using
Oh, there it
shaders.
is.
I'm using shaders with literally every performance boosting mod, and I'm still getting 10 FPS.
Alright, you can let me install it?
Try.
Dog, sit.
Hopefully they verified that.
That's the thing, I don't think so. Guess we'll find out.
Nope.
No?
No, they didn't.
What does it say? Is it just a blank window for you?
Yeah, it's probably gonna say, you can't install this, it's not verified. I know it's gonna say that.
Okay, well I know how to bypass that.
Okay. Yep.
Yep.
Seriously?
Get apps from the store!
Yeah, how do you get a driver from the store?
Wouldn't be surprised if it is on there somewhere.
Wait, extract the driver and have it located in Device Manager. Just see if it works.
How am I supposed to extract it if I can't install 7-zip?
Oh, crap. Well, we can put it on a USB. We can put it on a USB.
There's a way to extract it. Hold on.
There might be an extractor program as well.
Oh, I can't run it. Let me try.
Oh, there's Minecraft.
Out of plain curiosity. Nope.
Oh, that's great.
Let me try.
How about you extract the file on my computer and then I just put it on a USB and we try to install it that way? Can we do that?
Let's try one of these. Oh no. It's a 7-zip compressor.
By the way, guys,
I'm
oh, my screen's turned off, which I did redo my office. This is a mini office tour, I guess. I have 2 monitors, my mouse and keyboard. I have some lights on under there, because why not? There's my dog. Here's a laptop I got for school, which maybe I'll show it in the video. This is another laptop I'm working on for someone over there. There's my desktop that I built, which I don't know if you guys know I built a computer. So, yeah. And then I have the HP Stream, this TV still, mouse, keyboard, and then here's a computer I use as a server. And then I have a network switch, I have a Raspberry Pi, and there's my old external hard drive with a lot of old stuff on it. And then I have cords and stuff underneath here. And then a monitor over there, and then some stuff, like, you know, all the same paintings and stuff. I did have my HP Envy here. However, it's in my room for now, because I've been using it over there for a couple days, watching YouTube on it at night. So I just kind of left it over there plugged in on my nightstand to watch videos. Well, guys, I'm going to stop the video and record when we get this going. Alright, guys, we are back temporarily. Dude Fox, say what you tried to do.
So I tried to install the Bluetooth drivers, but whenever I try to run the exe, it says it's Microsoft Store app, so it won't install. If I try to do it from Device Manager, Sapphire, that's really loud.
Sapphire, turn it down a little. Alright, go ahead. Say the...
If I try to do it from Device Manager, I found a version of 7-zip on the Microsoft Store. Too bad it's 32-bit, but it does still work and do everything in the program. So if I try to install this, it's already on the folder, I simply get unable to install.
So I guess the Bluetooth driver does not work on 10S, but I'm probably not going to use Bluetooth anyways, so it's not the biggest deal.
Like I said, there is something called manufacturing mode, which is supposed to allow manufacturers to install custom applications.
So we could try that potentially later on. But we're not going to worry about that right now. I will use Windows 10S, and I will make a follow-up video in about a week or two. So this will be part 1.
Else is working. Audio, video, I mean, everything's working.
The most important things are working.
Yep.
So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to stop this. There will be a part 2. And hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching, and say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.